Here we are going to prepare phenyl benzoate from phenol and benzoyl chloride. For the preparation of phenyl benzoate we need 250 ml conical flask, volumetric flask, beaker, measuring cylinder, suction pump, Bunsen funnel, phenol, benzoyl chloride, NaOH, ethanol. The theory of this includes that phenol react with an aromatic acid chloride in the presence of excess of NaOH at room temperature to form an ester. The reaction is called Schotten-Baumann reaction. If phenol is shaken with benzoyl chloride and excess amount of sodium hydroxide solution, it is benzoylated to give the ester phenyl benzoate. The phenol is first converted into the ionic compound sodium phenoxide by dissolving it in sodium hydroxide solution. The phenoxide ion reacts more rapidly with benzoyl chloride than the original phenol does not, but even so you have to shake it with benzoyl chloride. The reaction for this is Schotten-Baumann reaction. Steps for the preparation of this are: in a 100 ml conical flask, dissolve 2.5 gram of phenol in 35 ml of 3.0% sodium hydroxide solution and then add 5 ml benzoyl chloride to it. Cork the flask properly and shake the mixture vigorously until the smell of benzoyl chloride has disappeared. The phenyl benzoate, which separates, is filtered off, washed with cold water, dried, and recrystallized from alcohol. This is phenyl benzoate prepared, and the observations are that it is a colorless crystal. It is insoluble in water and its melting point is 68 degrees Celsius.